Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You're starting now. Charge the HERO11 to at least 50%, insert a formatted micro SD card, and connect the camera to your computer or use the card adapter. Once done, locate the downloaded firmware file on your machine. Make sure it's the correct model and file name. Copy that file onto the root of the micro SD card. Do not place it inside folders so the camera can detect it. You'll eject the card safely and power the camera next. With the card back in place, power the HERO11 on and watch the screen for an update detection message. The camera verifies the file and prepares installation. You'll see progress indicators. Do not remove the battery, power cable, or card during this phase because interruptions can corrupt firmware. The device may reboot several times. That's normal. Make sure ambient temperature is moderate and avoid moving the camera. Once the process completes, the camera finish by navigating to settings about to confirm the new firmware version. You should see the updated number. If the camera won't boot or shows update errors, remove the card, reformat it, recopy the firmware file, and retry. This fixes most transfer corruption issues. If problems persist, try a different USB cable or card and perform a factory reset as a last resort. If none of that works, contact GoPro support for guided recovery to avoid bricking your camera.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.